All right, in this video we're using the discriminant to determine the types of solutions that are available for each of the quadratic equations below. So the basic idea here is that we're going to use this part of the quadratic formula, the part that says b squared minus 4ac. That's basically called the discriminant. And then we're going to follow the rules that are listed here in green. So if that results in 0, there's one repeated solution. If it's negative, there's no real solution. And if it's positive, there are two unequal real solutions. So let's talk about equation A and see what's going on there. So remember, this is your A coefficient, this is your B coefficient, this is your C coefficient, right? So the discriminant will be basically 4 squared minus 4 times the A term, which is 2, times the C term, which is 7. So when we work that out, we'll have 16 minus 8 times 7, or in other words, 16 minus 56. And of course, that's going to end up giving you negative 40. Because it's negative, we know that there's no real solutions, right? So no real solutions. Okay, let's look at the next example. For the next example, the coefficients are A, B, and C. So if we perform the discriminant, we'll have b squared. So that'll be negative 40 squared minus 4 times the A term, which is 16, times the C term, which is 25. Now, negative 40 squared is the same as saying 40 squared because the negative is going to become positive when it's squared. So we'll end up having 1600 when you square 40, and then we'll have minus, now 4 times 25 is 100, and then we'll have that times 16. So we'll end up saying 1600 minus 1600, which of course gives you 0. And if it's 0, it means we have one repeated real solution. So repeated just means that, if we were to factor that trinomial, for example, we would end up with something that has a perfect square trinomial. So when we set it equal to 0, we only end up getting one answer then. All right, and then finally the last case, the last trinomial here has A, B, and C coefficients. If I do the discriminant, it'll be negative 3 quantity squared minus 4 times the A term times the C term of negative 9. So that'll be 9, and then it'll be negative times negative is going to be positive, right? Because there are two negatives in this statement. It'll be 8 times 9, and so that's going to end up giving us 9 plus 72, or in other words, 81. This number is positive, so it means there are going to be two unequal real solutions. And that's it.